Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of the Constituent Assembly of India. In this episode, we will speak on V.I. Muniswamy Pillai. He was an activist who worked for the empowerment of the scheduled caste. Due to the financial problems, he was not able to complete his education and began his career as a clerk and subsequently started his own business. He was a member of Madras Legislative Council in 1926 as a representative of depressed class. He presided over the National Executive Committee of All India Depressed Class Federation in 1932. He was one of the signatories to the Pune Pact. He was elected to the Constituent Assembly from Madras Presidency on Congress ticket. He was member of Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights and also member of Minority and Tribal and Excluded Areas Committee. He spoke on various issues related to the welfare of the Dalit community in India. He spoke in favor of the reservation for the empowerment of the Dalit community. He spoke in favor of eradication of untouchability. He moved a very interesting motion for reducing the members' allowances. So we will just read that. 17th of October 1949. Quote, this motion I have moved shows that members who are entitled for 45 rupees per day by way of a daily allowance shall forego 11% of which makes it rupees 40. Sir, this sum of rupees 40 to which we propose to reduce our daily allowances does not represent our salary. This matter was before Staff and Finance Committee and the members thereof felt that this should be placed before Constituent Assembly. The members are offering to cut down their daily allowances by 11% voluntarily. I contacted many members of this august assembly and found that they are all unanimously of the opinion that a ₹5 cut in daily allowance will not be a hardship. In the circumstances, I hope the House will give consent to reduce the daily allowance of members from ₹45 to ₹40. Unquote. This particular amendment was allowed, and after this the per day allowance was ₹40. He passed away on 14th of December 1953. We are grateful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.